Hello, Kresimir here. Welcome to this short presentation of OLSP system, how to start using it. So, as you can see, first, what you are going to do is go to this page, earnmoon.com OLSP Academy. Link is going to be below this video. And here, what you can do is enter your email. So, to join the OLSP Academy that is completely free for you, enter your email here. And press this button, give me access now. So after you do that, you are going to see this page, and here you don't need to do anything but click on this button here, continue with the training. It will open in a new window, so you can come back later here, but at this moment nothing important for you is here. I just want to show you how to quickly set up everything and start making some commissions. So after you click on that button, this training is going to open, OLSP Training Academy. So this is the first lesson. Later I will explain how this works, but before you start going through the lessons, there is one more step you should do, because on the right top of this page here, you will see this more button. You click on this button and then click on update password. So this is a very important step, because when you sign up to this page, your account is created and the password is the same as your email. So to keep things safe for you, you should create a new password as soon as possible. So you click on this page, go to the update password, enter the password, update, and the password will be updated. So next step is, on that page, go to Academy Training to open that page with all the training that you should go through. So now as a step 4, you should start watching the training. As you can see, there are 5 units in this training. It will go from the beginning, and unit 1 is open at start, so you must watch and confirm that you watched, and then the unit 2 will open. And then after you watch the unit 2, it will open, the unit 3 will open, and on and on. And don't be scared, there are not many lessons. Unit 5 has only 1 lesson. I think there are 7 or 8 videos in Unit 3, but total maybe 20 short videos from 5, 10, 15 minutes. But this is, and I'm not making this up, this is something that other people would sell to you for $1,000 or more, because there is lots of super valuable information here. You will learn a lot, believe me. After you watch the videos, or in the meantime, when you decide if you need help, just message me OLSP Academy inside my messenger, so we can schedule a free strategy call. And basically what we are going to do is we are going to create customized strategy for you and your business. So depending on your situation, how much time you have, what are your goals, what you would like to do, I'm going to help you to make the best plan for you. You can go to the link here, click the link and book a call, or message me before and ask me anything about all this. And for the last slide, I have a little example of what are the commissions for you as a foundation member. So basically, this is for the members who are not paying anything, but still you get commissions. So you see, you can get here, these are all the ways you can make money from the OLSP system. So for example, if you promote Facebook Lives and webinars, and they usually convert very, very good, you will get typically from $29 to $75. For some other programs, you will get 10% commissions, for some 20%. For VIP sales, you will get $300 or $150 per year. It is a little less than some other. If you become OLSP dominator, you would get much, much more. But if you don't want to invest now, if you don't want to pay anything, this is the best way to start. So as I said, I'm always here. Schedule this call whenever you want, message me whenever you want, and I'll get back to you. Bye-bye.